Hi, it's Tally, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly cancel a layaway. Let's start with a couple of characters of the customer's first and last name, ST for Steve and MA for Mac. Confirming the address, phone number, and/or the birth date are a match, choose Select to start the layaway cancellation. Next, you're going to navigate to the right of the transaction screen and select Layaway. You'll see listed are all of the active layaways that belong to this customer. Like most reports in Bravo, you can click on the top row to view the list sorted by headers like Next Due and Item that contains the item description. Highlight the item that the customer wishes to cancel and select OK. The two possible transaction type buttons are active, a layaway payment or layaway cancel. You're going to select Layaway Cancel. The Layaway Cancel detail window shows the layaway amount and the credit due minus the restocking fee. This is all configurable in Bravo. Select OK. And the layaway type is now set to layaway cancel, and the money due back to the customer is shown here. To wrap up this transaction, select Next. Now you're going to choose your refund to your customer with cash, store check, store credit, or you can convert it to a gift card so they can start a new layaway on a different item. For this example, we are going to select Refund to Store Credit, and this allows credit to be added to a customer's account for future use at your store or your company for enterprise customers. Notice the tender shows as store credit, and the amount is in parentheses, noting that there is money owed to the customer. Any existing store credit will show over here to the right, so the customer knows exactly how much they have. Select Save to print the receipt, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.